We're here today to witness something unique. It's the installation of a 2.5-story tall arched window. It's going to be fantastic. Hi, I'm Homer Oatman. I'm the founder and principal architect of Oatman Architects in Newport Beach. The big idea from a design point of view with this window is it's going to provide uninterrupted light to 3 stories of a continuous staircase inside the house. The window is 25 feet tall, 6 feet wide, and it's made up of 22 individual dual-glazed glass panels. One of the big challenges of installing this window is picking it up with a crane and moving it from the truck bed over the front of the building down to its location where it's being installed. It can't bend one bit. If it does, we risk shattering all the glass panels. Working within a very tight construction schedule, we really have one shot to do this right. The Architectural Design Review Committee was simply not used to reviewing and approving feature windows of this scale. However, we were able to get them to see the light, so to speak. Thanks for taking the time to review our video. Look forward to seeing you soon.